Okay, so this is the cluster from the 2009 Vulcan 900. So what we're doing here is we're replacing the incandescent bulb here that was causing some issues with the new relay I put in and my new LED rings from Custom Dynamics. So basically we were overloading the new relay, which was causing my front signals to both flash at the same time, whether I was turning right or left, using the left or right signal. So to fix that, you remove the incandescent bulb and replace it with an LED bulb, or you can just remove the incandescent, take it out of which removes it from the circuit. But anyways, to do that, after you have your cluster off, you simply have 5 screws, right? You have 2 on the top, and then 2 on the sides, and then 1 at the bottom. Once you have that, you can sort of lift this up and rotate it. It's held on by this rubber grommet at the bottom. So I'm going to, sorry I'm getting off film here, but there. So once you have that off, this is the one we're replacing right there. So you just got to take this screw out. All right, you take that screw out, and then once you do that, you should be able to get this off of there. Okay, and then that little light just pulls right out. Well, I say right out, but you're gonna have to use 2 hands. But you pull this this light out, put in your LED, and you're good to go. It solves your problem. And I'll link a video of the example of the problem I was having at the bottom of this in the description. Thanks.